Hello everyone and welcome to Exam. In this video, I'm going to present some of the paragraph based questions for Nabard Grade A IT Officer Phase 2 examination. This is the set 2 of this particular video, and if you want to watch the previous video, you can just search that video in our YouTube channel or can find the link in the description box. Also, in this particular video, I will be discussing one question and you guys have to solve the remaining three paragraph based questions. So I hope everybody knows that in Nabard Grade A IT Officer Phase 2 examination, specifically for IT, there are two types of objective questions that are asked. One is the type of Mark 1, where you have a direct question and out of four options, you have to choose the correct option. The second pattern is of the MCQs, which are having paragraph based manner, where there will be a paragraph and the questions followed on that paragraph will be asked. So here you have to be more cautious because many a times the paragraphs are not known to us, and many a times the question answers itself in the paragraph. So you have to completely go through the paragraph very wisely, very attentively, and then attempt the question. So let's follow the first question of this particular video. So this particular first paragraph is based on the inheritance, and when we talk about inheritance, it is the concept from the object oriented programming system, and inheritance differ from various language to language. For example, if we talk about the inheritance in the Java, it is somehow different as compared to the C++ because it does not support the multiple inheritance. So you have to know about the peculiar thing when you read any concept, and that concept is present in more than one language. Here in the paragraph, inheritance that we are talking is in relation with Python. As you can see, the first paragraph is based on the introduction of the inheritance, and then they are asking that this particular entire thing is related to Python, so the library functions will be related to Python, like that. So here you have to answer keeping in mind that the inheritance oops concept belong to the Python. Now let's try to fill the blank number 1, where it says dash inheritance is possible in Python like other object oriented language. So there is a type of inheritance which it is saying that is possible in Python, but what kind of inheritance it is talking about, that can be derived from the next two lines. It is archived when a derived class inherit another derived class. There is no limit on the number of levels up to which this inheritance is achieved in Python. So now you can see that they are talking about the levels. So definitely the particular thing is related to multiple levels because there is no limit on the number of levels to which this inheritance is archived in Python. So here the correct answer will be option number A, that is the multi-level inheritance. Now you fill multi-level word in the first blank and see whether the entire paragraph is making sense or not. Now just fill it and read this paragraph again. Multi-level inheritance is possible in Python like other object-oriented language. Yes, because multi-level inheritance is something which is achieved in all the languages. Only multiple inheritance is the one which cannot be achieved in Java language. So if you have even a single bit of idea that what Python uh, is saying in this first line, that it is like in other object oriented language, so it is like something which is there present in other languages as well. We are talking about that particular uh, feature. So here the correct answer will be multi-level inheritance. There are two hints from where you can get this particular question correct. Now let's read the next line. The dash sub comma sub method is used to check the relationship between the specified class. So definitely there is a method that has to be filled in the area 2. It returns true if the first class is the subclass of the second class and otherwise false. So definitely when two classes are correlated to each other, they can be either parent or child relation because it is again inheritance. So we have to see what this second particular blank will be good to fill with. So is subclass is like class is subclass is superclass is subclass. So this particular question will be treated only correctly when you understand that what it is returning. So it will return if the first class is a subclass of the second class and false otherwise. So definitely it is something which is related to the subclass thing, and the correct method to check that is a subclass. So is class will be ruled out, is superclass will be ruled out, is a subclass makes more sense even if you don't know, because it is returning boolean values. So it is definitely going to answer question the probable scenario where this is happening or not. So by this also you can get to know that the correct answer will be D, that is subclass, which is a defined method in Python to check the relationship between two different specified classes. The third one is talking about when the parent method is defined in the child class with some specific implementation, then the concept is called as dash with respect to method. So now let's see the options that are provided for the blank number 3, and here you can see that overloading, overriding, recursive, and none of these. So definitely out of overloading or overriding there can be one possible answer. Now let's read the paragraph again and fill the value overloading or overriding one by one. When the parent class method is defined in the child class with some specified implementation, that the method is called as overloading? No, it is called as overriding, because now whenever the object is created for the child class and a method is called which is defined in parent class and the child class both, the method which is defined in the child class will be called. So this is called as method overloading. So this is the way how you have to attempt the paragraph based question. I hope the concept is clear that how you have to attempt. Now the next question is based on the Hadoop technology, and after that you can see there are 4 questions and I have provided the answer for all those 4. Please do not look at the answer while attempting the question. Attempt at your thing at first, like you attempt the question first and then see the answer. Otherwise, there will be no logic to attempt the questions. Now, the third question is based on the COCOMO model from the software engineering, and again, there will be some set of questions which you can answer. The fourth question is based on the data mining, and here you can see that the entire context about the data mining and the procedures involved in it are being talked about, and then you can easily fill all the 4 questions that are being asked after this. So you can just do one thing, that in order to read the entire PDF, just download the PDF from the description box and attempt the question in peace, and please do not see the answers while attempting. Once you read the paragraph, understand the paragraph, then only please read the question and answer. And if you are not correct at that point of time, accept your mistake and learn from your mistake. So that was all from my side for this video. Hope you like this video. Like the video if you want us to make more such videos for your preparation. Also, if you have any doubt, just mention that in comment section. This was all from my side, and we'll bring the next video. Till then, keep practicing and stay updated.